working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest, I write it down, you know it's up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you can tell from the title, today I'm showing you guys what is my everyday go-to makeup using some new products. So guys, I recently got some new products in my arsenal, so I will be trying that, and this is the face that I came out with, right? And if it is you like to see what those products are and how it is I got this beat, this sweet, glam but soft, it's not too much, it's not doing too much, it's not doing too little, it's just right in the middle. If it is you want to get this look, right, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on both Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys over there. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you rely in. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. And behind my mind it runs all these thoughts of troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to live my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and another one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. My word insist if you cannot pray. I need to find release. And behind my mind it runs all these thoughts of troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to live my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. Set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Set me free, now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky, yeah. Now I need to free my mind, yeah. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you rely in. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. And behind my mind it runs all these thoughts of troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to live my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and another one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. My word insist if you cannot pray. I need to find release. And behind my mind it runs all these thoughts of troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to live my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. Set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Set me free, now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky, yeah. Now I need to free my mind, yeah.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go through. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Okay guys, so that's the finished product, right? As you all can see, this is my face using new products. This is my daily routine. If it is I do wear makeup, this is what I'm going for. This is my go-to look for every day. If it is I am to wear makeup, this time I put a little heavier lashes because I just want to give it a little va-va-voom, right? Usually I go with something a little shorter and not so 3D, right? But I'm actually loving the heavier lashes, right? You know, it does make you stand out a little bit more, right? Just looking at myself in the camera here, in the mirror here, and I am loving what I see. The noises that you all are hearing in the background, just know that is my daughter. She jumping on the bed, her tablet playing, you know how it goes, mommy life, that's how it is, right? So once again, thank you guys for staying tuned, reaching this far to see how to take out this look and what my everyday go-to look looks like. And I hope I see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on both Instagram and TikTok. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.